stupid.
We are about to do something incredibly stupid. What is it?
Yeah, I went into the rift.
And what
There's
do you
caves down here.
Oh,
There's cave down here. Oh, there's breathing space down here.
where is it?
There's iron. There's coal.
Where are you?
Wait, hang on, wait.
Oh, no, 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 no,
It's
no.
also extremely dark and I don't have any torches, so I'm coming back out. Okay, I'm back up. I'm back up. Okay, I'm on the ship.
Okay.
Torches. Okay, let's go. Follow me.
Where is okay.
Straight down. Then go front. Creeper!
Rock! Oh, no, cool. Whoa, whoa. Shit! You
I'm
die?
back. Yes, I died. I mean, I'm back, but I'm...
Do you get our stuff?
Yep,
Okay, that's iron.
that's what I said.
I broke with my shield both times. I think I forgot about shield.
I don't even have my shield on me.
Oh, what? You... I think it floated out.
Maybe. Or maybe it got dragged down by the current. From the magma.
Maybe.
Wait, get the coal. The coal is important as well. We need fuel.
Whoa!
Wait, come back. You're gonna get stuck down there because of the rifts.
No! I drowned.
No, you didn't drown. You got killed by one of the zombies.
Oh,
You got killed by a drowned.
okay. My stuff should be where? Where's the rift? Right there. Wait, my stuff should float up, right?
No, that's a...
Yeah.
I found a diamond.
What?
Yes, your stuff floated. No, that's a fishes. I found a diamond. Oh, but except that it's very near to a cave that has creepers and everything. Here's a sword. There's your the ore and the pickaxe, and there's a fishing rod.
Drown. Whoa, it's gonna pick up my sword, is it?
What's this? Kelp. We got here's my shield. Getting a ton of kelp. What's kelp used for? Okay, let's head
Okay,
back.
where's my stick?
No idea.
I found my ladders.
Wait, you're still keeping your ladders on you?
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, I need to check what's kelp.
How many stick do you have?
Steak?
Yeah.
Well, I have 7.
Oh, so my stick is gone. And my torches? Oh, I used them all.
Oh my god.
What?
You know the kelp that we got?
Yeah.
We can turn it into dried kelp by smelting it. It's a food that gives us 1 hunger point. Wait, wait, where's the iron?
I put it in the chest.
4, that's enough. I'm gonna use one of the coal because I got a ton of them.
Right.
We need to make another chest. So I'm using some wood to make another chest. Find a view. Running
Yeah.
on wood. We're running low on wood, sure, but I think I might be able to get more from the shipwreck later on.
Right. Is there anything in that cave?
Which cave?
The cave that we explored.
No, there's nothing more in there, except but in the cave opposite of it, there was a diamond.
Okay.
Okay, I got my iron pickaxe. I'm gonna need you to defend me a bit.
What? I need to get up. I need to get up.
Okay, but first things first, we need to get more sticks before we get the diamond. Is that fine with
I
you?
need to TP to you because I'm stuck. Alright,
Hang on.
I gotta use the diamonds.
No, 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 no. Okay, take the boat. Get in the boat. Yeah, get the boat. Get in the boat.
There is a dolphin.
I'm not carrying this one.
Okay, yes,
Okay, what we-
sparing that one.
Wait, shit! I forgot to make something.
What?
I need to make an axe. We need what I'm going to the ship to get is wood. We need more wood. Stone axe. Let's see. No. Okay, get in the boat.
Whoops.
Did you just hook me?
Shit. I think I did.
Right, where's the sunken ship again?
Just look for the.
Oh, we're above it. Okay.
Oh, above it. Okay.
Okay. Gonna get some wood from this.
Is there any chest in here?
Yeah, there's the house over there.
Which you looted?
No.
Oh, okay. Looting it right now. Before I die. I'm dying. I'm dying. Shoot. Shoot! I'm
There's a harpoon.
panicking.
It's a harpoon.
Okay. Stop panicking. What?
Oh, you got speared.
Oh, what? Again.
I didn't even know where the guy was. Hang on, let's get back there.
What? You died as well?
Yes. I got pooned. I see the harpoon guy.
Those are deadly.
I'm swimming circles around him. You can easily dodge his shots if you're doing the control one. Okay, the one where you swim like the yeah.
Oh shit! He's after me. He's after me. Kill him. Never mind. That's not easy. Gotta get a weapon.
Yeah, well, guess what? They have our iron sword, and the axe and everything.
They have?
Yes. Did you kill it?
No. Not yet. I am getting there.
What? You've been here the entire. Backup would have been helpful.
I need the weapon.
No, you didn't. I literally went there, was killing them without a weapon. I like picked up the weapon and just started killing them, and then you're just here. The backup would have been nice, you know.
Gotta get out. Killing that guy. Did he die?
No,
He's dead.
he's still there.
Okay. I see him. Come on. Ouch. Oh my god! He's deadly.
What this cunt is my what? I see my bow over there. I'm trying to get my sword as well, but I can't.
I need to get my shield.
An axe.
Shield?
No, I got my axe.
That guy is killing me. Shoot, 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 shoot. Can I get it? Yes, I can. Get it. Get it! No!
Nice.
Where is it? 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 Wait, where's our boat?
They destroyed it. I picked it up just now.
Ow!
Problem is they have our sword and shit. Oh. Oh, I'm making the spear guy shoot his own teammates. Sorry, the harpoon guy. Harpoon guy's dead. I made his teammates stab him.
Okay. Yes!
Pick everything up and start killing them.
You are paying for all of this.
Drop the iron sword.
The iron sword. Got it.
What, do you have it?
Yeah.
Nice. I think one of them just dropped my stone sword. I killed it. There. Got it. Now where's the other there should be 2 shields, right?
I got 1 shield. I got 2 shield.
Okay.
The other shield is here.
What the frick?
What?
The squid now produces ink and he can also push you around, the squid. So you know what he did? Another harpoon guy, run, 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 run,
Whoa.
run, 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 just run, just run. Okay, ignore everything, just fuck everything and just run.
I can run when zombies are behind me.
Yes, you can! Just go underwater, press control and run.
Right. Take again.
No,
Oh my god, those harpoon guys are insane! I just need a shield. Where is my shield? I need the damn shield. Okay, fucking harpoon guy.
I nearly
Saw
got
my shield.
I nearly got stabbed by a stray harpoon. I got the stone sword, I got the iron sword, I got the other stone sword. What?
Kill him. Kill him.
I mean, I would if I could, but hang on, wait. I got the arrows. I got the bow. 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 Where is he?
He's currently killing me.
Okay, I'll pick everything up and then we run. Just get back. Go back to the ship.
Ouch. Ouch. Oh, I'm drowning!
Yo.
We need to get to the boat, right?
Found the turtle shell helmet. Are they in our? Yeah.
They're in my boat. I'm getting a boat. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? Where's the boat? I got the boat. No! Bullshit! I got the boat and I died!